Force for Good, FFG, Force for Good, Nourish the Children, and Vitamil. And why should I care about what it is? So, for those of you na hindi pa naririnig what FFG or Force for Good is, it's a foundation na tinayo ni New Skin noong 1998. So, parang for me, if I have a business partner na ang focus is to also help other people, not just create money, ma-impress talaga ako. Actually, to be honest with all of you, isa yan sa main reasons kung bakit ako nag-join sa New Skin. Kasi because of the heart that they demonstrated. Sabi nga nung founders natin, Force for Good is 5% of what we do, but it's 95% of who we are. So imagine yung founder ng company, ganun yung vision nila, ganun yung culture that they want to cultivate sa company, sa distributors, and sa corporate, diba? So sinong hindi gustong mag-partner up with this kind of company? So ano ba yung, para saan ba yung Force for Good? They established it to provide, para ma-improve basically yung lives ng children globally, para matulungan sila in terms of literacy, matulungan sila to get them out of poverty, and marami silang programs under FFG. So isa dyan yung Nourish the Children, which is yung mas i-focus ko is yung sa Vitamil. And then they also have nag-establish sila ng schools and to help the kids develop, kumbaga, mapag-aralan nila how to make their own livelihood. And right now, sobrang laki nung program and sobrang meron na silang napag-graduate dun sa schools in Malawi, as far as I know. And ang maganda for us distributors, pwede tayong mag-participate sa ating partners ni New Skin, pwede tayong mag-participate dito, hindi lang puro pera-pera, di ba? And for some of you, kung hindi nyo alam, yung Epic line natin, yung Baobab, yung Abapuhi, ano pa bang Epic? Comment pa kayo kung ano yung alam nyo na Epic product. So, Baobab, Abapuhi, blemish treatment, glacial marinma, di ba? Lahat ng yan, pag bumili ka ng isang product, kahit anong product under the Epic line, 25 cents or $0.25 would be donated to a research program para hanapin yung, kumbaga, yung cure or how we can help. There's this disease kasi sa skin na wala pang natutuklasan na cure. New Skin is investing on that para matulungan, kasi may mga kids talaga yung tipong madikitan lang daw ng damit or kahit wala, parang naagnas yung skin. So, sobrang ganda, di ba? Kasi New Skin is not just focusing on developing products para pagandahin yung skin natin and to make our health better, keep us young, but also developing products para matulungan or solution for these people na wala pang nakakahanap ng cure. So, di ba, sobrang gandang maging part of this kind of culture. Kung natutuwa ka sa ganong klaseng culture, comment ka ng Force for Good. So, as I mentioned, as a distributor, as brand representatives, brand affiliates, pwede tayong mag-participate. Now, one of the programs wherein you can easily participate in is the Vitamil. So, kung narinig mo na yung Vitamil, comment ka dito sa video na to ng Vitamil. So, ang Vitamil kasi, it started with Nourish the Children. Noong 2002, naisipan ng founders to take action on childhood hunger and malnourishment. So, alam nyo ba, titignan ko lang yung kodigo ko Alam nyo ba na sa Philippines, wag na muna tayong lumayo. So, most of us here naman, I think, are Filipinos, no? If not all. Apologies for those who don't understand Filipino. Sa Philippines, Philippines ranked 70th out of 117 countries na may mga nagugutom. So, imagine mo, every day, 95 children in the Philippines die from malnutrition. Ulitin ko 95 children in the Philippines die from malnutrition. And we're just at 70th, rank 70th. So, imagine mo na lang yung countries na ranking 1 to 10, ilan yung namamatay from malnutrition in their countries every day. And New Skin, founders of New Skin, nag-decide sila to do something about it. So, And they didn't want to do it lang na sila lang as corporate or as a company, but they wanted to get everyone involved, which is tayo, mga distributors, business partners nila, kung paano tayo makakatulong, 'di ba? Kasi gusto nila yung culture that they have sa sarili nila, we will also have as people, not just business partners, but also people, di ba? Kasi they really wanted to make a difference in the world, not just in creating a very good business opportunity, but also in this manner, di ba? So, ano ba yung Vitamil? So, tingnan nga natin kung merong mga, merong ayan. Si KCL, alam yung Vitamil. Si Corinne, si Sarah, si Marie, ayun. So, yun pa rin mga nag-comment. So, kung alam mo kung ano yung Vitamil, comment ka ng Vitamil. Ano ba yun? Ito pala, globally, every 6 seconds, a child dies of malnutrition. Grabe, di ba? But now, every 1 second, a serving of Vitamil. Ayan, every 1 second, a serving of Vitamil is donated to a child in need. Imagine mo yung difference that we make. 6 seconds, every 6 seconds, may namamatay of malnutrition. But now, New Skin and the distributors globally are serving every second ng Vitamil. So at least, di ba, 1 out of that, yung 6 seconds na yun, nakakatulong tayo. So again, ano ba yung Vitamil? Specially formulated siya ng scientist ni New Skin and Pharmanex to address malnutrition. Anong ibig sabihin nun? They combined yung proper carbs, protein, fat, tsaka fiber para maibigay yung tamang nutrisyon ng isang tao, isang bata para hindi siya mamatay, basically. And proof of this is when kasi sa Malawi, sa Africa, yung isang pinakamalaking program ni New Skin with this, kung halimbawa nearing death na yung bata, they fed them with Vitamil just after 3 or 4 days, nagkakaroon na ng sigla ulit yung bata. So imagine mo, inaayos ni New Skin not just the skincare and healthcare products for us, distributors, and sa mga clients natin, but also for these people na nangangailangan. And take note, pwede mo rin siyang kainin. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang bumili ng Vitamil for consumption. Especially ngayon, kailangan natin ng nutrition, di ba? As defense sa virus. Pwede mo siyang ipakain sa pamilya mo. Ensure ka na complete yung nutrition. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman malnourished, di ba? So, okay ba yun? Ngayon, so yun yung Vitamil. As I mentioned, specially formulated siya. Maganda yung balance niya. So, anong significance nun for us? So as I mentioned, sa Philippines, 95 kids daw die of malnutrition every day. So what can we do as distributors? Vitamil kasi, you can purchase from New Skin, and two routes siya. Okay? So yung isa is purchase and donate. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Didiretso yon sa global pool ni New Skin ng donations, and then they will select yung charitable organizations na pinartner ni New Skin to conduct yung feeding programs or nourishment programs. Ang maganda kasi sa programs ni New Skin, hindi lang siya yung one-time, big-time na ipapamigay mo yung Vitamil, but they really monitor kung nag-i-improve nga ba yung weight tsaka yung nutrition ng mga bata na pinoprovidean. The second route is like what we're doing here with our team sa OKGI. You can purchase the Vitamil as consumption, and then you can give it to your chosen charitable group. So like in our case, our team is supporting different communities. Like we have one now in QC, and we have one also in Laguna and Cagayan also, which we also supported nung nagkaroon ng bagyo. So sobrang okay, di ba? So kung nag-support ka nung panahon ng bagyo, comment ka ng support with Vitamil, di ba? So, yun yung second route. So, you can purchase as consumption, and then, if forward mo dun sa groups na yun, sa team natin, you can go get back with your mentor kung gusto mong malaman kung paano mag-participate doon. So, to date, gusto nyo bang malaman, okay, bibigyan ko yun ng chance hulaan kung ilang bags na ever. So, New Skin started 2002 with Nourish the Children and Vitamin. By, if if my memory serves me right, 2017 o 2007, 100 million meals. 100 million meals. So, sino makakahula? To date, ilang million meals na ang nasupply ni New Skin? Sige, comment away. So, habang hinuhulaan nyo yan, dahil doon sa million of meals supplied, 120,000 children are being fed every day dahil sa program ni New Skin na Nourish the Children. O, palakpakan tayo dyan kung nasa mo kayo. So, imagine mo, a fraction, kahit gaano kaliit yan, meron tayong nako-contribute in changing yung direction ng mga batang to that would otherwise die of malnutrition, di ba? So, yan. Hindi pa siguro dumadating yung comment. So, hula ni Corinne, 950 million. Ayun, si OKGI support, 700 million meals. Tama. 700 million meals. Na-imagine mo ba kung gaano kadami yung 700 million? Grabe, di ba? 700 million bags ang nasupply na nila. Of course, with the help of us, distributors. So with our team, we're also very keen on supporting this. Makakontribute din tayo dito, di ba? Not just all about making money. Imagine mo, 60 countries around the world itong tinulungan. So imagine mo the good that you can do while you're doing this business, making money for yourself, changing the life of your family, of yourself and your family, and the people surrounding you. You're making a difference sa mga tao nangangailangan. Share ko lang sa inyo, one of our programs kasi, we're helping yung group sa Payatas. And I was surprised kasi with the pandemic, di ba, all of us were affected. Tapos, sabi sa akin ng partner natin sa Payatas, yung friend natin na nagre-receive doon ng donations, sabi niya, you know, the families here, sobrang tuwang-tuwa sila that they can get free meals kasi yung iba daw talaga sa kanila, walang makain. So, imagine a part of your efforts nakakatulong ng ibang tao. And sabi nila, para mas maging successful ka, ang iniisip, you just don't think about the money that you can make for yourself. Kasi kung 3 meals everyday lang naman yung habol mo, madali mo namang gawin yan, di ba? Pero kaya daw nagiging successful yung successful people kasi they go beyond themselves and they contribute to a larger group or a larger reason, di ba? So, kaya siguro sobrang laki ni New Skin kasi yung vision niya is to help global malnutrition. So, siguro maganda rin na i-level up natin yung culture natin and yung sarili natin to that level. But before we go there, syempre, we help first ourselves and then our families, di ba? So, kung agree kayo dyan na helping other people would help us become successful, comment ka ng success dito sa video na to. So, as I mentioned, after 3 days, naging better na yung nutrition or yung condition ng mga bata that would have otherwise died after eating vitamin. So, sobrang laki ng, sobrang taas ng quality talaga ng vitamin, no doubt about it. Kung duda ka pa talaga, pwede mo rin namang itry. Pwede mo siyang lutuin as kanin, champurado, yung iba ginagawa nilang burger patty, but of course, sinasamahan na nila ng healthy na vegetables, di ba? It defeats naman the purpose kung hindi mo sasamahan ng vegetables. So, again, sobrang impressed ako with this kind of program, and sobrang totoo pala talaga na if ang focus mo, if your focus is to help other people, mag-grow ka. Kasi imagine mo from 2002 to 2020, 700 million meals na yung naibigay ni New Skin with our help as distributors. Imagine mo if we help each other, kung ilan pa yung matutulungan. Imagine the dent we can make dito sa mundo, di ba? So, if you're part of that, comment ka ng make a dent. Again, New Skin, amazingly, it's not just focused about making money. And gusto nilang ma-instill yung culture na yun sa atin na it's not all about the money lang. Of course, hindi natin tatanggihan yung pera kasi kailangan ang pera para mabuhay tayo, para makakain, di ba? But if we go beyond ourselves daw pala, we seek to help other people through Vitameal, di ba? We can create more wealth for ourselves. Mas magiging malaki yung negosyo natin. And ako, naisip ko lang, ibig sabihin, New Skin is here for the long haul. And gusto ko yung partner ko na company or supplier ko is committed na maging long term. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi ang programs nila is to help global malnourishment eh. Ibig sabihin, kung yun yung target nila and nasa 1 out of 6 seconds pa lang yung nagagawa nila, they're still finding ways kung paano maabot yun. So, ibig sabihin nun for me, hindi maglalaho na lang basta-basta si New Skin. Kasi, kumbaga, merong ibang nakadepende. So, kung halimbawa, like, if you're a parent, di ba, hindi ka basta-basta titigil magnegosyo or hindi ka basta-basta titigil magtrabaho kasi you have kids depending on you, di ba? So, yun, sobrang awesome yung culture, di ba? So, kung na-amaze ka din sa culture ni New Skin, comment ka ng FFG or Force for Good. And because of that, sobrang daming tao na pag once naintindihan nila yung culture ni New Skin and culture natin dito sa OKGI of integrity, helping other people, di ba? Ang daming gustong mag-partner with us. So, make sure you share this video also to your friends kahit they're not yet in the business with us, di ba? Kasi gusto natin aware sila and with your partners, of course, na you would want to have a bigger vision for their business. And bottom line kasi, makakatulong sa negosyo nating lahat if naintindihan natin tong culture na to, di ba? So, yun lang. If you have questions with regard to participating sa Vitameal Initiative, especially this December, we're hoping to help a lot of families this month. Siyempre, di ba, especially season of giving. Contact mo yung mentor mo. And share ko lang din pala, sobrang generous talaga ni New Skin. For every purchase mo ng